Yo, what's up mga kabayan? JD Dagang nga pala, and for today's video, first day ng school ni Bella. Ayan. So maglalakad lang kami papunta ng school. Magpapaalam pa daw siya kay lola niya na Lola Aida. Hello. Ayan, so maglalakad lang kami. Bahay. Diretso lang dyan. Tapos turn left. Yun na yung school. Hi Bella.
Hello.
Hi. Are you excited? Are you excited going to school? A little bit. Listen to your teacher, okay? And if the teacher asks you, you answer, okay?
Hello, chicken. Hello, rooster. Hello, aso.
Careful there's a lot of pitak.
What is the pitak?
Yung mga aso sumasama. Look, it's undoy and dingdong.
Undoy. Uy, wala ako food undoy.
Ito yung mga dadaanan namin ni Bella.
Wala ako.
Stop running, Bella,
Wala ako food dingdong.
Wala kang food?
Don't go to my...
First day ni Bella sa kinder.
Daddy, there.
Hindi si Bella sa mga.
Malakpak daw, pumalakpak. Ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisimula. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Dam na sa'yo, sa susunod wala na tayong pagulong.
Yo, what's up guys? So, tapos na ang klase nila Bella. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Did you learn anything today? Did you learn anything? What did you learn? Bella, what Daddy told you? Always walk on the side, right? Why you're in the middle? Move. Ganyan always walk on the side, okay? May aso. It's okay.
Aso?
Go, walk. How was your first day of school?
Good.
Good? You make friends? You make friends? Yes or no? Bella, move on the side. Always walk on the side, anak. Pag dumadaan ka sa kalsada, dapat laging nandiyan ka lang sa side. Okay? Okay. Dami ng bunga nitong mulberry, oh. Kita ba? Yung mga bunga na yan. Sa ano. Kahit doon.